Have you ever been hurt by someone? Have you ever struggled to forgive? Today's readings offer us a powerful reminder of the importance of forgiveness and compassion.
St. Paul, a man of great knowledge and faith, yet humble and compassionate. He shows us that true strength lies not in our knowledge, but in our ability to love and forgive.
Jesus challenges us today: love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you. Can we really do this?
Meet Sarah, who struggled to forgive her colleague for a hurtful comment. She held on to anger and resentment for months. But one day, she decided to let go. She forgave, not for her colleague's sake, but for hers. She freed herself from the pain and hurt.
Jesus doesn't ask us to be best friends with our enemies, but to take the first step towards forgiveness. He understands it's hard, but he invites us to be patient and persistent.
Forgiveness is a journey, not a destination. Jesus calls us to examine ourselves and ask, do we do unto others as we would like them to do unto us? Let us strive to be like St. Paul, humble and compassionate. Let us forgive, not just others, but ourselves too.
May we find the strength to forgive and the courage to love. May we do unto others as we would have them do unto us.